you're using metal bars, stair nosings, door hardware, anything that needs fastened through your vinyl plank flooring, this is going to help you out, I think. What you don't want to do is nail clean through this the way it sits. Get you a Sharpie or pencil, something as long as you can see it, and mark the holes. Have obviously cut your bars and get them fitting good. And then once you're happy with that, mark all the holes. And what you're going to do is drill a pilot hole through the flooring. Rule of thumb, about twice the size of your fastener, roughly, give or take. It's not rocket science, so roughly twice the size. And drill a pilot hole through the flooring itself, not into the subfloor, just through the flooring. Make sure you get all the way through that vinyl plank. The whole idea is you're fastening your bar to the subfloor. You're not fastening it to the vinyl plank flooring, so that's going to give your floor some room to move. Here again, the landing below there, same thing. Just drilling pilot holes through the flooring itself. That's it. You don't want to go any farther than that, but you do want to make sure you get through the flooring. And you can see roughly about the size that hole is. So when you nail your bar, just snug it up. Don't beat the crap out of this thing. The whole idea is you don't want to pinch the floor. That bar is not going to go anywhere, so just snug it up, and that'll give your floor room to move without pinching it by having that pilot hole through the flooring. Same thing with like door hardware, like a bifold door. A lot of times the 2 screws in the jamb might be enough. You got a heavy door, that third hole, you might have to get something through the floor. Whatever size screw you got, just make sure you drill a pilot hole through the vinyl plank that's twice the size. Same thing with bypass hardware that's typically in the middle of the floor there somewhere. Make your holes twice the size of your fastener, and don't crank down on these things. Just snug them up and call it done, and that'll give your floor room to expand and contract. Okay, hope that helps.